Hello. In this tutorial, we'll discuss with you the draw option. So you will be able to paste your reference images exactly in the same place where you need to put them, and it will reduce the percent of randomization. So simply it will be ideal when we need to connect our source image, like our source of exterior with our source of family, and we'll put the family exactly in the same place we expect. We'll also discuss the changes, what we can change in our source files and how we can do that. So we will start from this. It will be the easiest way. Let's come back to our working notes here, because it was the old one. So what can we do, and what do I recommend you? Please work with your source of the family. Feel free to test it, because it's important to understand that you can freely do anything. You can change their clothes colors, you can fit the, literally anything. You can add here a cat, family, second, third children, no problem at all. So let's play with the easiest way. Change people clothing to casual, neutral colors, autumn. Okay, I'm hitting make. I'm doing the same, but let's change autumn to winter, and cat. Okay, so we will have not only one reference, we'll have 3 different references. We can also try to play around and make not only this source. I want to mix my autumn family with autumn mood, and I will simply select the source image. I'm clicking option autumn here from the presets. I am selecting, of course, NanoBanana Pro 2K original, and I'm hitting make. So I'll receive autumn family, I'll receive autumn mood, and we'll discuss how we can mix them. We have it. So as you see, results are very good, really very good. So I'll use this family with autumn clothes to our autumn exterior. Here we have a winter clothes also as well. Good. We can prompt that it should be a winter outdoor clothes if you wish, but I think this one is okay for me. It's quite good. But here we have a beautiful cat, also nice option of the family photo. Here we are waiting for our autumn mood, and in the next video we'll discuss with you what can we do. Okay, I don't like it, so we'll need to remake it again. Let's hit again autumn. Let's hit again NanoBanana Pro, make. I'll make it a few times, to limitate the problem. As you see, for me, the problem now is added some extra trees, so I don't like it, but it's not a big problem for us. So let's wait a second and let's see the results, and then we'll jump into the next video where I will show you how to connect this image with our source image, of course. And while we are waiting, maybe we'll see the better results with NanoBanana Pro with transferring to the autumn. So that's our plan for adding a people. And let's wait a second. Yeah, here it's exactly what I'm expecting. So we can compare it to our original image in large. Yeah, now it's okay. So now I can freely use it for autumn family clothes, and it will be a beautiful image. So see you in the next video. Bye.